Welcome to Brunda Engineering Academy. Our channel is main motto of our channel is how to give the education to the poor people with free of cost in the YouTube through the YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video, I will explain about some important and previously asked gate questions belongs to mathematics. This video can be helpful for any branch of engineering to attempt the gate exam and Eset exam. Okay, so now let us solve one example problem on the limits. Limits. In the previous video, we have discussed about the limits and calculus part we have discussed. So in this video, we will solve some problems previously asked questions we will solve. So the first question is the value of the function f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube plus x square by 2x cube minus 7x square. This question is asked in 2004 GATE 2004 for 1 mark. Okay, so for this type of problems you have to take just simply first of all I will take that f of x equal to limit x cube plus x square by 2x cube minus 7x square. So first of all you have to check this extends to 0. If you substitute 0 cube plus 0 square, next to 2 0 cube minus 7 0 square, then it will get 0 by 0 indefinitely. Okay, so you have to apply the L hospitals rule. L hospital rule. L hospital rule. L hospital rule is nothing but you have to do the derivation to this function. You have to do the derivation to this function. The what are the different derivations? Differentiation formulas also discussed in the previous video. So please check that video in our channel. Okay. So first x cube similarly I am written limit x tends to 0 x cube. So 3x cube derivation is 3x square plus x square 2x by 2x cube. So 2 into x cube. X cube derivation x cube means 3, that is 6x square minus 2 sevens 14. 14x. It is the differentiation, first differentiation. Now you substitute x tends to 0. Then also we get the indefinite value. So again you have to apply the L'Hospital rule. X tends to 0. Then this expression becomes 3x square means 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2. 6x square. Differentiation is 2 6. 12x minus 14x. 14x differentiation is minus 14. So this is the expression. Now you can substitute. You can substitute the value. That is limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means 6 into 0 plus 2 by 12 into 0 minus 14. So then this becomes 2 by minus 14. So by the simplification we get minus 1 by 7. So in this way we can solve the problems in the limits. Okay, so now this is the procedure. Next to go for another problem. The problem is limit x tends to 0 sine 2 by 3x by x. This question asked in 2010 for 1 mark. Okay, so for this I am taking the function limit x tends to 0 sine of 2 by 3 x by x. If you substitute the value, x tends to 0, then sine 0 0 by 0. So 0 by 0 it is the indeterminate. So indeterminate. So we can simply write it as limit 2/3 x 2/3 x tends to 0. Numerator I multiplied with sine 2/3 x multiplied with the 2/3, and in the denominator also multiply with the 2/3. Okay, so then what is here? 2/3 is the constant term. 2/3 is the constant term. Limit 2/3 tends to x tends to 0 sine 2 by 3 x by 2 by 3 x. It is in the form of limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta that equal to 1. So it is the formula limits theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta. So simply it can be written as sin 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 1, because sin theta by theta equal to 1. So the expression value is 2 by 3. So in this way we can solve. What is the option here? 2/3. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, coming to the another problem. Here look at this. Limit x tends to 0 sine square x by x. Sine square x by x equal to dash. This is asked in GATE 2004. Okay. So for this we take limit x tends to 0 sine 0 by x means 0. So 0 by 0 it is impossible to calculate. So for this purpose again I am taking sine square x by x. In numerator I multiplied with x sine square x by in the denominator also multiplied with x. Okay, in numerator and denominator I multiplied with x. So limit x tends to 0 x into this can be written as sine x by x whole square, sine x by x whole square. So x into sine x by x whole square. Okay, so this can be written as limit x tends to 0, x into limit x tends to 0 sine x by x whole square whole square. Okay, so this value. So limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Here x tends to 0 means this is 0 into limit here sin x by x. Sin x by x limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. It is the formula limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. So here 1 whole square. So this will becomes 0. So it is the answer. So this is the formula here. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Okay, for the formulas you can see the previous video in our channel. Okay, next coming to the another model, another problem asked in the previous GATE question. This is GATE 2006 2 marks question. It is the 2 marks question in 2006. Okay. Now limit x tends to 3 f of x. Limit x tends to 3 f of x. F of x means 2x square minus 7x plus 3 by 5x square minus 12x minus 9. So for this purpose, limit x tends to 3. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means you have to differentiate this expression. So for that purpose, d by dx of 2x square. 2x square having the differentiation 4x, minus 7x differentiation minus 7, plus 3 differentiation 0, by for 5x square differentiation 10x, minus 12x differentiation minus 12, minus 9 differentiation 0. Okay, so then we can simply substitute now. So here 4 into 3 extends to 3. So 4 into 3 minus 7 by 10 into 3 minus 12. This becomes 12 minus 7 by 30 minus 12. So the answer is 5 by 18. Answer is 5 by 18. So it is the 2 marks question, very simple question. Just you do the differentiation and substitute x tends to 3. Okay. Next, coming to the next problem. This is for this limit x tends to 0, e power x minus of 1 plus x square by 2 by x cube. Similarly, you have to apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, this question asked in 2007 for 2 marks. Okay, next coming to the apply the L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. First differentiation e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x simply, minus 1 differentiation 0, x differentiation 1. Next x square by 2. And I mean 1 by 2 x square. X square means 2x by x cube. X cube differentiation 3x square. X cube differentiation is 3x square. Next, again, you have to do the differentiation. Up to here, if you apply, if you substitute 0 in the numerator, if you get the 0 and the denominator also you get the 0. So it is an unsolvable. So you have to convert, that is. So again, you have to do the differentiation. E power x having differentiation is e power x minus 0, 1 differentiation is 0, 0. Here 2 gets cancelled. X is having the differentiation of 1. Okay, by 3x square. 3x square means differentiation of 3x square is 6x. 6x. Okay, 6x. So now then limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by 6x, 6x. If you substitute again 0, then it will become e power 0, e power 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 6 into 0. Means that is again impossible solution. So again you have to do the differentiation. That means apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, x tends to 0, e power x, x minus 1, 1 differentiation is 0, 6x differentiation is 6. Now, if you substitute 0, then e power 0 by 6. E power 0 means 1 by 6. It is the answer. We observe the options 1 by 6. So, 1 by 6, it is the correct answer. Next, one more problem. This is a 2008 question in GATE point of view. 1 mark question in 2008. 1 mark question they asked. Okay. Next, coming to this one, it is very difficult. Difficult means some change, different method. Limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to 8. X power 1 by 3 minus 2 by x minus 8. X minus 8. So, okay. So, it is in the form of, if you observe, it is the function, assume x minus 8 equal to h. For this type of problem, x minus 8 can be assumed as the h. H or any notation. Okay. Then, from this we can write x equal to 8 plus h. So then you can substitute x 8 plus h whole power 1 by 3 minus 2 by x minus 8 means h. X minus 8 is h. Now this can be written as that h tends to 0. Here x minus 8 equal to h. We are assuming x minus 8 equal to h. So here that h is tends to 0. Okay, h tends to 0. So then that will become, so apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means here limit extends to limit h tends to 0, 1 by 3, 8 plus h whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. Minus 2, 2 differentiation is 0. Next, for h differentiation is 1. Okay, for h differentiation is 1. So now this expression becomes h tends to 0. If you apply h tends to 0, then 1 by 3, 8 plus 0 whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. By the simplification, 1 by 3, 8 power, here 3, here 1 minus 3. Okay, 1 minus 3. So then we can write 1 by 3, 8 power minus 2 by 3. 8 power 1 by 8 power minus 2 by 3. Here 1 by 3 into 8 means we can write it as 2 cube. 2 cube whole power minus 2 3. Then here 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 into 2 power minus 2. Okay, 2 power minus 2. By the simplification, 1 by 3 into 2 power minus 2 means 1 by 2 square, means 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. So the value becomes 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So just a simple mathematical expression. Here we get 1 by 12. The only the change is x minus 8. So the term take it as the h. H. Okay. So by applying the L'Hospital rule, we get by the simplification 1 by 12. Next, here the next problem. Here limit. This problem is in 2008. Limit theta tends to 0. Theta tends to 0. Okay, limit theta tends to 0. Sin theta by 2 by theta. Theta by 2 by theta. So for that, here in the we know the expression limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta equal to simply 1. So you have to convert that expression in this way, in this style. Okay, so limit theta tends to 0. Here in the numerator multiplied with 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 by theta into 1 by 2. So take that term 1 by 2 can become here outside constant. Theta equal to 0 sine theta by 2 by theta by 2. So here, so it is in the expression theta tends to 0 sine theta by 2 by theta by 2. Okay, so then it will becomes 1 by 2 into 1. So the answer is 1. So here option B is the correct one. Okay, so this simple question is asked in 2008. Next, simply it is a direct question. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to how much? This asked in 2011 for 1 mark. Simply it is the formula. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. So D is the correct option. Next, one more question. This limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. X minus sin x by x plus cos x. It is asked in 2008. Okay. So for that you can convert again. Limit extends to infinity. Sin x by x. Suppose if you observe this here, limit x tends to infinity. X tends to infinity. sin x by x equal to 0. Limit x tends to infinity, cos x by x equal to 0. For these relations, you may watch our previous video. We can get some clarity, or we can more explanation about the formulas also. Okay, in our channel, the previous video you can check. Okay, now coming to this one. Now coming to this one, here limit extends to infinity, you have to convert it into sin x by x form. Limit extends to infinity, x minus sin x. So take the term x can be take it as common. 1 minus sin x by x. 1 minus sin x by x. Similarly, you may take x common 1 plus cos x by x. Okay, next coming to the next part. Here x is the common term. X is the common term. Then it will be cancelled. It will be cancelled. Limit x tends to infinity. Now here x gets cancelled. 1 minus sin x by x. 1 plus cos x by x. Apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, then this will becomes here what is the expression? 1 minus sin x by x by 1 plus cos x by x. Okay, so for that purpose, now apply the limit. Here limit 1 minus limit x tends to infinity sin x by x by 1 minus limit 1 plus limit x tends to infinity cos x by x. From this we can write 1 minus sin x by x is nothing but 0. Next 1 plus limit extends to infinity cos x by x, nothing but 0. So then 1 by 1. The answer is the 1. So this is the solution. So answer is 1. Now next one more problem. This question asked in 2010. Limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n whole power 2n. 1 minus 1 by n whole power 2n. Okay, this can be simply written as limit n tends to infinity by the simple application 1 minus n whole power n whole square. We can write a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Okay, by applying the simple mathematical expression. Okay, now the formula is limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n 1 minus 1 by n. Okay, if you observe that 1 minus 1 by n means here 1 plus 1 by x. So e we can take it as e. So in the similar way, if you apply this expression, limit x tends to infinity 1 plus x by 1 plus 1 by x whole power x equal to e. So similarly, we get e here minus 1. So e power minus 1 whole square. So the option becomes e power minus 2. So the option is C is the correct one. Okay. Next, coming to the another problem. This question is asked in 2012. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x by x square. 1 minus cos x by x square. Directly apply the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means you have to do the differentiation. For one, differentiation is here limit x tends to 0. For 1, differentiation is 0 minus cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Again x differentiation is 1. Okay, by x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So then now limit x tends to 0. 0 minus of minus means minus of minus is that is plus sin x by 2x. Then you substitute 0 sin 0 by 2 into 0 0 again it can be difficult. Okay, the unsolved one. So again you have to do the L'Hospital rule. That means you have to do differentiation. Then sin x. What is the differentiation for sin x? D by dx of sin x is nothing but cos x. Okay, for x 1. Next 2x. 2x differentiation is 2. Now the apply the x tends to 0. Then cos 0 by 2. So then cos 0 is 1. 1 by 2. So the option is 1 by 2. Okay. So these are some important problems asked in previous gate questions. This concept, the similar way, in a similar way, the they may be asked in Eset Eamcet also in the same way. We can solve the problems in the same way. So this video can be helpful for both these three exams. Okay, and for formulas in our channel, previously we upload one video. Okay, like in this way, we upload an video, then we may follow the formulas also. Okay, so main intention of our channel is we have to give the knowledge, to share the knowledge to the poor people and needy people in free of cost in the online, in particularly YouTube channel only. So if you like this video, please share to your friends. It may be helpful to crack the rank in ESET, EMSET and GATE examination. And please subscribe our Brunda Engineering Academy channel. If you have any doubts, please make comments in the comment box. Then definitely I will give reply to you and solve your completely doubts. Okay, thank you.